Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. In our today's video, we are going to solve few of the very important aptitude problem for your upcoming examination. Okay, and friends, all these questions are very important. So this will give you a overall idea that how you have to prepare for your examination and how the questions will be getting asked in your exam. Okay, so friends, question number one, you can say it's a question from percentage, or you can also put in the category of profit and loss. Okay, so question number two is from the question number system. Question number three is again percentage question. Question number four is from problems on trains, and question number five is from percentage. Friends, all these questions are very important, as I said, because the questions on percentage and profit and loss will be asked more into your examination. These are the important topic. So Rakesh, a mechanic, purchased a car of rupees 7,000, 75,000. He invested another 45,000 in repairing and painting. The mechanic sold the car to Tanmay and realized a net profit of 35%. Find the amount that Tanmay paid for the car. Okay. So friends, Rakesh is a mechanic. What he is doing? So he is purchasing a car in 75,000 rupees. Okay. Fine. Now he is putting 45,000 rupees in repairing and painting, right? Because mechanic will generally buy the old cars. Okay, so that is not true here. I'm just giving an example. Okay, and then he has put 45,000 on that. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10. It will become, if you'll see, so it will be 1,20,000 rupees, right? Okay, fine. So this is what Rakesh spent the total amount on the car. Now he is going to sell this car to Tanmay, and basically he is getting a profit of 35%. So it's a simple question. So 1,20,000, and I have told you multiple times, if there is a profit, if there is any kind of more, okay, if there is any kind of percentage profit, okay, if there is any kind of percentage increment, in that case friends, what you need to do, you need to add it to 100. So 100 plus 35 divided by 100. Okay, so if you have any kind of profit, if it is any kind of more, if it has any kind of increment, then you need to add it to 100 and then divide by 100. Simple concept, you remember friends. Trust me, your problems will become very easy. Then 1,20,000 into 135 by 100. Okay, so 20 and 20 will get cancelled, right? Okay, so basically it is 12 into 135 into 100, right? So this 20 I have kept it separately. If you want to make this is little more easier, then 12 I can write 6 into 2. Why I have done like this? Because now I can easily multiply 2 with 135. So this will be nothing but 270 into 6. Okay, into 100. Now again 30 you can take it here. 6 7 will be 42. 2 4 will be here, and 6 2s are 12 plus 4 will be 16. So 1,62,000 will be the answer. So 1,62,000, Rakesh will sell this and Tanmay will pay that much of amount, and Tanmay will buy the car. Okay, so I hope this was a simple problem which we had started with, and you would have also understood this. Okay, now friend, question number two. So a two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 14. When 45 is added to this number, the digit interchange their position. What is that number? Friends, frankly speaking, this problem is not tough. Okay, so frankly speaking, this problem is not tough. Then what is the problem in this question? So if you know the basics from earlier, then only it will become easy for you. See, two-digit number, suppose a number 34. So 34 is what? A two-digit number. Okay, this I can also write 10 into 3 plus 4. Friends, place value 4 will be what? Unit. Okay, so this will be at unit place. 3 will be what? At tens place. Yes or no? Unit place, and this will be nothing but tens place. So 10 into 3 plus 4. Okay, so 34. Agreed? Okay, now so a two-digit number is such that the product of this digit is 14. So I will assume x into y is 14, right? See, multiplication means what? 10 into say x into y. X into y is nothing but 14, right? Okay, now, and two-digit number, how will we represent? 10x plus y. So 10x plus y will be nothing but 2-digit number. So a 2-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 14. When 45 is added to this 2-digit number, when 45, if we'll add to this 2-digit number, the digit interchange their position. The digit interchange their position means it becomes 10y plus x. See, earlier it was 10x plus y, that means 34. If we'll interchange means it will become 43. That means it will become 10y plus x. So 10 into 4 plus 3 will be nothing but 43. You do not have to do all those things, friends. See, x, y you got. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, and that's how you are going to solve it. But you see, the 2-digit number, their multiplication is 14. So let us use this option attack. So let us use this option attack, friends. So 2-digit number, their multiplication is 14. So 5 into 4, if you multiply, it will be 20. 3 into 6, if you multiply, it will be 18. So these two options are eliminated. Now, either 27 or 72. That means either option B or option D will be the correct answer, right? Okay. Because the multiplication of the digit is nothing but 14. The multiplication of this digit is nothing but 14. Okay. Now, next is when 45 is added to this number, the digit interchange their position. So 27, if I add 45, it will become what? 5, 7, 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. If I will add 45 to this, then it will become 117. So once we add 45 to this, the digit interchange their position, which is not happening here. But here it is happening. The digit is interchanging their position. So option B will be the correct answer. Unnecessarily, you will be solving the equations. Okay, that is not required for you. Understood? Okay, fine. So this 2 question is done for you. Now, friends, question number 3. So in an examination, it is required to get 36% of the maximum marks to pass. A student gets 113 marks and is declared failed by 85 marks. So this point will give you an idea that how you can proceed. A student is getting 113 marks, but still he is declared failed by 85 marks. Means if we will give him 85 more marks, he will pass the exam. So 8191 and 538, it will total become 198, right? See friends, if I say, so you scored 20 marks, okay? You scored 20 marks and you are failed by 10 marks. Means if I will give you 10 more marks, then you will pass. So I could say the pass marks is nothing but 198. I could say the pass marks is nothing but 198. Yes or no? See, 113 plus 85, that is nothing but 198. Fine. So in an examination, it is required to get 36% of the maximum marks to pass. Okay. Now, so friends, what is your maximum marks? Okay. So maximum marks, and if I get 36%, which will be nothing but 198, that means I will pass. So if I get 36% of maximum marks, or if I get 198, in both the case, I have passed the exam. So M will be equal to 198 divided by 36, and this percentage will go up, it will become 100. Okay. Now, so 36, okay, so what I can do is, so let us divide it by 3 times. So 3 12 and 3 6 ja and 3 6 ja, then 3 4 ja and 3 22 times, and 4 will divide this by 25 times. So 20 into 22 into 20 will be 440 and plus 110, which will be nothing but 550. So is there any option 550? Yes. Option B will be the correct answer for the particular question number 3. So friends, simple concepts are there, but the problem seems to be little tricky. See, how you do it matters in the examination. So you do not have to drag this thing. See, here only 75 plus 45 will be nothing but 120. Okay. And 35%. So 135 by 100. Okay. Now this, if you'll solve, you will be easily able to get the answer. You do not have to do anything, right? But to make you understand, to make you feel comfortable, to make you feel better, we are doing this, right? Okay. Now question number 4 is a problem from trains. Okay. So 2 trains running in opposite direction cross a man standing on platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds, the ratio of their speed. So friends, basically what is happening here? So see, you can directly solve this particular problem. See, one train is taking 27 seconds, one train is taking 17 seconds, and here it is 13. So this will be nothing but 6, and this will be nothing but 4. So 3 is to 2. You can directly answer using this mixture and delegation rule. You can directly answer, sir, option D will be the correct answer. Okay. But you also need to understand the process, because the questions might be differently asked in your examination. Okay. See, 27 seconds, the first train is taking, and 17 seconds, second train is taking, and both are taking 23 seconds. So here in between that will be the common value, right? And here first train and second train. So that's how you get the ratio. Okay. But now let us see the process. So two trains running in opposite direction. So there are two trains are there who are running in opposite direction. Okay, fine. So it's not like they're going to hit each other. Okay, so this train length I will assume L1, L2, speed is S1, S2, because it's not has been given in the question. Okay, fine. So two trains running in opposite direction cross a man standing on the platform in 27 seconds. So first train is crossing this man in 27 seconds, and second train is crossing this man in 17 seconds. And when they cross each other, so even they cross each other, right? See, when they're going in opposite direction, definitely they will cross each other. So that time they're taking is 23 seconds. Friends, in problems on trains, I have told you many times that making a rough diagram will always help you to solve the questions in a better way. Okay, so what you do is, so always try to, right? So first write down a VAC diagram, write down a diagram, small diagram, so that you will get an idea what exactly we need to do it. Okay, now, so friends, when the first train will cross this man, so we know distance will be equal to a speed into time. So distance is equal to L1, speed is S1, and time is 27. Okay, fine. Second train, distance will be equal to a speed into time. Length of the train is L2, speed is S2, and time is 17. Okay, so L1 will be 27 S1 and L2 will be 17 S2. Okay, fine. Now, so the first train now is crossing the second train, and the time is nothing but 23 seconds. Okay, so in that case, distance will be equal to a speed into time. Distance, when one train is crossing another train, then the length of both the train will be added. So L1 plus L2 will be equal to, when trains are moving in opposite direction. So if they are moving in same direction, then you need to subtract their speed, relative speed we are calculating. When they are moving in opposite direction, then we need to add the speed. Okay, so here S1 plus S2 into 23. Okay, fine. Now we can see here, friends. So L1 is what? 27 S1. L2 is what? 17 S2. So it will become 23 S1 plus 23 S2. If you will subtract, it will become 4 S1. If you will subtract, it will become 6 S2. So S1 by S2 will be equal to 6 by 4, which will be nothing but 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means option D will be the correct answer. Okay. So friends, if you like this video and if you think it is useful, then I will be also making the second video on reasoning. Okay. So friends, please share with your friends or maybe in your colleague or maybe group. See friends, what is the motivation for us? So the views and the likes from you, right? So that is what motivates us, and we do more and more videos. So as your exam is on 6th of June, okay. So from today till your exam 5th of June, I'll be continuously doing the videos on this exams, right? And you will be definitely able to utilize it. Okay, fine. So now friends, question number 5. So a student who has scored 30% marks in the first paper of physics out of 180 marks has to get an overall score of at least 50% in two paper. The second paper is of 150 marks. Okay, the percentage of marks he should score in the second paper to get the overall score is, okay. So friends, a student is there and he is getting 30% marks in the first paper of physics. So physics is of 180 marks total, and a student is getting 30% marks. So the meaning of 30% marks means the student is getting 180 into 30 you by 100, so it will be nothing but 54. So a student is getting 54 marks, right? So a student is getting 54 marks. A student who has scored 30% marks in the first paper of physics out of 180 marks has to get an overall score of 50% in the two papers. So first paper is 180 and the second paper, if you'll see, so second paper is nothing but 150 marks. Okay, so total marks, if you'll talk about, so 180 plus 150, so which is nothing but it will be 330, right? It will be nothing but 330. So total marks is 330 and a student has to get an overall score of at least 50%. So 50% of this means 50% is nothing but half, means 115 marks. If I'm not wrong, 216 ja will be 32 and 25 ja 165. Okay, not 115. I'm sorry. So it will be nothing but 165. 216 ja will be 32 and 25 ja will be 10. So a student has to score 165 marks and he has scored how much? He has scored only 54 marks in the first paper. That means if I will subtract 5 minus 4 is 1 and this is 111. So a student has to score 111 more marks, then only he will be getting a overall score of minimum 50% in both the paper. Okay, so he has to score 111 marks and total marks is nothing but 150 and the student has to score 111 marks. So what is the percentage of marks he has to score now? Okay, so that overall he will be getting 50% marks. So 1010 cancel, 5 threes and 5 twos and 2 and 3 threes will be 9 and 3 sevens will be 21. So 74% marks. Is there any option? Yes. Option C is the correct answer for the particular problem number 5. So friends, all this problem will give you deep concept. So once you watch the video, you solve the same problem by yourself, which will definitely give you a lot of idea that how you have to solve the problem in exam and where all you can do the mistake. So knowing your mistake, working on that is very much required, and all the problems will have a finest solution. Finest solution means, see here we used mixture and alligation to solve that. Here we used option attack to solve that. So these are the things which you need to learn. Okay, friends. And again, the next video, we will be bringing a reasoning in that particular one. So friends, please watch and like, share with your friends so that maximum people will get benefited. Thank you.